Hello everyone, it's Dan here from Thomas Road Support. I'm just going to take you through the Ebor mega menu found within Stack, our latest theme for WordPress. Okay, so in this video we're going to basically take a look at the mega menu component. Now it's important to point out that if you've used any of our previous themes, you may be forgiven for thinking that the process is the same. It isn't. We have certainly streamlined things a little bit more and allowed a bit more flexibility. But yeah, we're going to go through just how all these work and how to create our own sort of fresh mega menu. So to begin with, I'm going to go into the dashboard and we'll check out the Ebor mega menu area in our admin, and you'll find that just under Ebor mega menu here. Now if we take a look, at this point we've actually imported the demo data, so what we're looking at here is the demo data provided. If you're following along with the videos and you would like to follow along this section as well, then please go ahead and import the demo data before you continue. Anyway, let's take a look at the home mega menu option. And what we're going to do is just flick back and forth between the front end and the back end and just see how it all equates, what it all means, and how it all kind of comes together. Okay, so this is the home mega menu section. If we take a look at the front end, you'll see what we've got under the home section is a bit of text here, a title and a small description, a button, and 3 columns of menu here. If we look at the back end, what we've filled in here, although you can't see the text just because it is white text, sorry, a white logo there, you can see the text and the link all present. So if you were to type in your own description or whatever you want in there, you do so in this main editing area. And below here we've got 3 columns available to us which we can use to show well, sub-menus basically. And as you can see, menu column 1 goes with this column here, column 2 is the next one along, and obviously finally column 3 is the far right column here. So that's kind of how it all comes together. If we go a little bit deeper and look at well, what these little individual menus are, these are basically standard WordPress menus, the same you would make for any other theme. These are accessed via appearance and menus in your dashboard. And if we take a look at column 1 as an example, you'll see there this column which we're displaying here is just a standard menu which we create all on our own. And the actual home mega menu item itself, if we look at the navigation on a whole, you'll see the home mega menu item is very similar to a standard post or page where we've just dropped that into the menu. Now if all this is lost you a little bit and it's not really making much sense, that's fine. What we're going to do is go ahead and create our own completely fresh mega menu from scratch, and I'm going to show you obviously how to do that from the very beginning. So back in our admin area, I'm going to start by creating the actual menu items we want to show. So I'm going to create a brand new menu. Dan's Mega Menu 1. And what we're going to do is add all of the items we want to show in the left hand column of our special new menu. So just for the sake of this video, I'm going to quickly randomly select a few pages just to throw in there. There we go. And I'm going to save that. It's important to add, we don't need to assign it to any areas. We're actually going to select this menu to display when we create our mega menu item itself. But yeah, before we go ahead and do that, I'm going to create one more menu. I'm going to just create a 2-column mega menu here. So I'll call this Dan's Mega Menu 2. And again, I'm just going to drop in a few random pages and save. Okay, so we've got 2 menus that we want to display under one mega menu item. How do we do that? Well, we first need to create our own new custom mega menu item. So we go to Mega Menu, Add New. I'm going to give this a title, so I'll call this Dan's Mega Menu. And I'm just going to put in a little text here, just so you can see how this appears on the front end. So what we're expecting is the text we've added to this area is going to be the left-hand description here. And in the column 1, I'm going to select Dan's Mega Menu 1, and column 2, I'm going to select Dan's Mega Menu 2. In this instance, I've left the third column free. You're free to use 1, 2, or 3, or all 3, or a combination of whatever. It's totally up to you. And finally, I want to give this mega menu a background image, like you can see here. So I'm going to grab an image. I'll go with this one. And let's publish that. Okay, so that's our mega menu done. If you're now going to want to add this mega menu to your main navigation, so to do this, we go back to Appearance and Menus. You'll need to navigate to your site's main menu, which if you're using the demo data is called Standard Navigation. And then you're going to want to add the Ebor mega menu item to the menu itself. Now this bit's quite important, because what you'll notice is, well, if you look here, there's no mega menu items to add. Now the reason for this, WordPress disables these custom menu items by default. To enable them, so you can add them to the menu, simply go to the screen options up in the corner here, and then you'll be able to tick a box, and you can see there, just as I tick it, these appear ready for you to add. And what you can do also, if you're looking at to add other default WordPress menu items to your menu, you can add many different options here. It's quite surprising what WordPress gives you without you knowing it, but all we're interested in at the moment is just activating the Ebor mega menu, which we have now done. So we'll close the options, and under the Ebor mega menu we can see we've got our different items. There's the one we've just created. Let's add that to our menu. And there it is, just hovering away at the bottom there. I'm just going to pop this next to the home, just for no other reason other than I can. Let's hit save and refresh. And there we go. We can see we've got our menu there. We've got our text. Obviously this can be whatever you want it to be in there. In this case we've used an image and whatnot, but it really is up to you. And we've got our 2 menu columns there, just showing the menu we've set up. And there we go. That's the mega menu found within Stack. I hope this video has been useful. If you do need any more help, then please do look at the documentation provided or come and see me over at support. Thanks for watching.